Are you ready to level up your gaming experience? I've got an incredible surprise for you. Meet the ASUS ROG Astral NVIDIA, the most epic graphics card I've ever laid eyes on. This beast of a GPU is powered by the cutting-edge NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 technology. But what does that mean in plain English? In simple terms, it means this card is ridiculously fast, thanks to an AI-enhanced engine that's optimized for lightning-fast performance. One of the standout features of the ROG Astral is its incredible airflow system. This GPU has a quad-fan design that boosts airflow and pressure by up to 20%. That might not sound like much, but trust me when I say it makes all the difference in the world. With this level of airflow, you can expect your games to run smoother, with less heat buildup and more room for overclocking. But that's not all. This GPU also boasts a patented vapor chamber with a milled heat spreader. What does that do? In essence, it's like having a super efficient cooling system built right into the card. This tech helps keep your graphics card running at optimal temperatures, even during those long gaming sessions when things can get hot. And let me tell you, this GPU definitely delivers on temperature management. The phase change GPU thermal pad is another game changer here. Essentially, it's like having a super efficient heat sink that ensures maximum heat transfer, and that means your card stays cool and running smoothly, no matter how hard you push it. Now, I know what you're thinking, how big is this thing, anyway? Well, the ROG Astral has an impressive 3.8 slot design, complete with a massive heatsink and fan array optimized for airflow from those 4 Axial-tech fans. It's like a heat-sucking vacuum that keeps your card running cool, even in the most demanding games. But it's not just about raw performance. The ROG Astral also comes with some amazing premium features. The die-cast frame and metal GPU bracket give this card an eye-catching look that's sure to turn heads. And with towering default clock speeds and boosted power delivery, you can expect absolutely insane performance from this GPU. I've got to say, I'm really impressed with the ROG Astral NVIDIA. With its incredible specs and features, it's clear that ASUS has outdone themselves once again. If you're in the market for a top-of-the-line graphics card that delivers on everything you need, look no further than this incredible piece of hardware. Want to get your hands on one for yourself? Check out the link below for the best price.